Okay! What's going on, everyone? It's Caf from Caf_official_Insta, and I'm back with an on-foot review for you, and you already know what it is. Boom, 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 boom. I've worn them, sorry, it's dirty. Boom, multi-swoosh, boom. The Nike React Element 87 in the light sail bone white colorway, and pow! I'm not even on a hype, yeah? I'm gonna tell you straight away, I put these on feet immediately. They dropped today, I put them on today. I was wearing Yeezy Boost Oreos, yeah? 350 V2 Oreo black and white. I wore them to the shop, and I came out of the shop with these. With these on, sorry. As I said from my other video, these are absolutely insane, and we're gonna go straight into the close-up shots. Let's go. So immediately, the first thing you'll notice is the hyperfused mesh-like transparent or translucent upper. And as I said, as per my last video about this shoe, the outsole is made up of React. It's just React, and it's heat mapped to the pressure points of someone's foot, there to utilize and to help you out for all your daily footwear needs. On the upper, you've got a nice mini swoosh on the lateral side of the toe box, or should I say the medial side, sorry. You've got this really nice 3mm detailing on the loopholes of the laces. You've also got Nike React on the tongue. You've also got the circular mini swoosh logo that we haven't seen for a couple of years now, and it looks like Nike is looking to bring this back out. There we go, the mini swoosh is in the circle. You've also got a cork inner sole. So the insole is made completely of cork, and the sizing is actually on the insole. It's not on anywhere else on the shoe. So the cork insole provides very soft cushioning, which keeps your foot close to the React technology in the outsole. So when you're stepping on this shoe, you're feeling 20% cork, but 80% React for that cushion, cloud, soft-like rival to Boost that we have been yearning for if you're a Nike fanboy. I'm not a Nike fanboy, I just love sneakers. However, I am so happy I got these, and these are gonna become a new rotation main. Like, the gaming community will be able to tell you what a main is. If you play Street Fighter and you play Ryu all the time, then Ryu's your main. The React Element 87 is about to make it into my main rotation. It is gonna be my main, and I'm gonna wear these until they're beaters. I love this shoe. One thing I'll say immediately is the tongue is extremely thin. Now, it's literally just this hyperfused mesh translucent material, so it can get a bit fiddly. The only drawback, I repeat, the only drawback I'll say about this shoe is if you've got a wide foot, they're quite narrow fitting. What you'll notice is all the materials that are sewn on, so the materials that are there for the laces, they can dig into the top of your foot, and also the heel counter digs into your ankle if you're not wearing socks that come above your ankles. So if you're wearing sneaker socks or ankle socks, you may need to pull them up slightly, because this bit, it's reinforced so that it doesn't collapse and gives you that support that you need when you're wearing the sneaker. And it does tend to dig in to your ankle, so be careful, you've been warned. Try and go a half size up, but I'm true to size, I've gone true to size in these, sorry. Size 10 UK, they fit fine. You've got the lovely, lovely, lovely heel counter. You've got kind of like a cage with Nike React on the back. You've got Nike React on the tongue. You've got Nike React on the outsole. Just to let you know what you're wearing. It comes in this lovely sail light bone colorway that is perfect for summer. I've seen a lot of people trying to get the sail ones and missed out, but a lot of people missed out on the black ones as well. You could not be sleeping on this release. You couldn't sleep on this release. Anyway, what you've been waiting for, some on-foot shots right now. I'm gonna give it to you. Let's go. So yeah, that is my quick review of the Nike Element React 87 or the Nike React Element 87, whichever way you want to say it. We know what shoe you're talking about, man. This shoe is amazing. I love the fact that it's translucent, which means you can wear any pair of socks and it completely changes the aesthetic of the shoe. They sold out instantly. I knew they were going to sell out. They sold out instantly. A couple of people thought or suggested that the Puma Thunder Electrics that came out today would sell out because of the Thunder Spectras. Like Stone Cold says, they didn't sell out. The Puma Thunder Electric, as I said in one of my comments, the speckled outsole for the men, not feeling it. The ladies ones are way more better, but bear in mind, check out my Instagram. There's another version of the Thunder Spectra that everybody loved coming out in August or September, and they blow every one of those away. So watch out for those. But yeah, if you're trying to pick these up now, they're pretty much sold out everywhere. I've seen resale in the UK, can't speak for the rest of the world, going anywhere from £230 to £300. They retailed for £135. I got them for £135. I don't know if I'd spend between 230 to 300 on the resale market. I'm almost certain that Nike are gonna restock this shoe because it takes so many elements from their other running shoes. It feels like a running shoe. It's so light. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this is probably even lighter than some of my Ultra Boosts. Seriously, it is really ridiculously light. It's really comfortable, it's really soft. I feel like I could sprint like Usain Bolt wearing this. It's ridiculous. This shoe's ridiculous. I said it before, it's amazing. Welcome back, Nike. Welcome back, Reeboy. Welcome back. There's several different colors coming out soon. I reckon Nike will restock this because it introduces the world or reintroduces the world to their React technology, and I think they want to make that the main rival for Boost. Nike versus Adidas, a rivalry older than time itself. They wanted to find a rival for Boost. I think this is the rival for Boost. I think this shoe is the rival for the Ultra Boost, and Adidas, you better come with something quick because them Majin Buu Commanders and them Dragon Ball Z collaborations, they're not beating this and the Off-White Nike collaboration. I'm rooting for you, Adidas, but Nike are making it difficult, rude boy. Nike are making it difficult. Anyway, that's it from me. Don't forget to share, rate, subscribe, tell a friend, tell your nan, tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your dad. Watch my channel, watch these reviews. Let me know what you want to see next. Don't forget to follow me at caf_official_insta on Instagram and at SpacemanFry on Twitter. Let me know whether you managed to get these in the comments. Let me know what you think of the shoe. Let me know whether you like it, whether you dislike it. If you cop them, what are the things you like, what are the things you don't like. I'm blinking a lot because the light is in my eyes and I'm really tired. I'll shout out to all the new subscribers too, and shout out to the comment squad, yeah? Peace.